Yeah, you get everything here at 5 o'clock.
That's right, including the weather, which is very nice now, but changing,
beautiful.
Jim.
Yeah, this morning, meteorologist Mark Monstrola up early tracking rain that looked remarkably like the computer model last night. We showed you said it would at 6 o'clock. It was moving steadily to the east and on out of the area. And once the sun came up, the visible satellite there showed you the clouds cover that cleared pretty quickly, too. Now, we didn't get much rain. Out in the hill country, you folks average anywhere from 3/100ths to 7/100ths of an inch. Here in Austin, we had 15/100ths at Mabry. Same thing out at the airport. And off to the east, we saw some .20 totals, 1/5 of an inch in some of our eastern counties. That was about the most that we saw. So we're still drier than normal this winter. Didn't do a whole lot to help us. This afternoon, though, with the sunshine, it's been beautiful. Low and mid-60s right now in our hill country. Here in the metro area, temperatures averaging about, looks like 60 to 64. Warmer down in San Marcos. You folks are at 67. 67 in Luling, but 57 degrees over in LaGrange. It's been a little cloudier off to the east here later into the afternoon. Boy, not many clouds out there right now over Oak Hill. This is a live view from our camera at the Hampton Inn in Oak Hill, where we also have a weather station, and both are always available to you on KXAN.com. 63 degrees and sunny right now. By 8 o'clock after dark, we'll get down into the mid-50s pretty quickly. Still not too bad at 10 p.m., around 50 degrees, but then in the middle of the night, another cold front will blow in, and tomorrow we won't be in the 60s. 63 in the city right now, and same out at the airport. With a mostly clear sky, winds light and variable, only 3 miles per hour. Sunset is at 6:11. Pollen count continues to be good at 152. That's considered low in the mold category. 116 in Cedar, though, is considered to be a medium concentration. Cold front's already moving south. 48 in Dallas, 28 in Amarillo. Snow up in Oklahoma City, 33. A couple inches of snow around Amarillo, too. About 3 or 4 inches up around Pampa in Canadian Texas. And, boy, we dodged this one. This system moving off to the north. And it's a big winter storm. Up to a foot may fall from parts of Kansas over into Illinois. And there's a big ice storm going on in Arkansas. I wanted to read you one of these storm reports that came in from a storm spotter in Arkansas. I haven't heard anything like this in a long time. He said at his home in Conway, near Conway, Arkansas, trees completely encased in ice. Dogwoods are breaking at the top and splitting. Oaks are down, limbs are down, popping, breaking trees sound like gunfire. Huge trees barely miss the house, unable to leave the driveway without a chainsaw, 2.5 inches of ice accumulating. This is nasty. We haven't seen an ice storm like that one down here. Our little bitty bit of a drizzle that creates a layer of ice, the worst that we've seen most of this winter. And we could see that again a little later in the week because of this cold front. That storm moving out into the plains is sending cold air diving southward through North Texas right now. It is going to arrive here. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. Should already be through the metro area, and it's headed on down toward the coast. And then we will see increasing clouds after the front moves through on Thursday and into Friday with the weakest of disturbances coming in. It doesn't take much, though. Just a little lift can wring out a little bit of moisture, and that's what we're forecasting. Some freezing drizzle possibly Thursday morning and Friday morning because we will be sub-freezing both mornings. Windy and colder tomorrow as this system moves on through. In fact, when you wake up in the morning, we should all be down into the 30s, some places near freezing. Tomorrow, our highs in many areas not leaving the 40s, maybe some low 50s down to the east. 35 overnight in Austin with that front blowing in, breezy, much colder tomorrow, 48, but a little sun comes out. But then we cloud right back up, and very weak disturbances, as I mentioned, coming in on Thursday and Friday. No more than a 20% chance of measurable precipitation, but if it falls at the right time, Thursday night or Thursday morning, Thursday night, Friday morning, could be just a touch of ice in some areas. Warmer this weekend before the next front by Sunday morning.